Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to recover Gmail account without recovery email or phone number. So now it would be better for you that the device that you're using has the history of you logging in your Gmail or your Google account. It would be easier for the device to identify, and there will be more flexible options for you to log in or recover your account. So here, let's just say you have used this device before. You have to type Gmail recovery and then click the second one here, account support. So since you don't have your email address or access of email address or phone number, what you're going to do here is just simply type your email. So let's just say that this is your email address that you want to recover. Tap next. So if this device or you have used this before, and then what you're going to do here is you just have to click continue. And then after that, all you have to do is to update your password right here. Since this device, this has the history of you logging in your Gmail account, the device can detect your email address. So all you have to do is to update your password, click continue, and you can recover your account here. However, if you are using new device or this new device doesn't have the history of you logging in your email or your Gmail, then what you're going to do here is you can exit this Google web browser. And then this time you have to try to go to your Google Play Store and then tap this profile at the top right corner. Scroll down and look for help and feedback. And then after that, what you're going to do next is you're just going to report a problem here. So tap contact us. And then here you have to tell them specifically your concern, like Gmail account recovery. And then after that, you have to scroll down, tap next. And then here you can choose verify your identity and account, or you can also tap other. So once you tap other, you have to click this arrow facing down. Which specific area do you want to recover or solve your problem? So let's just say for this time, Google Play Apps, tap next. And then after that, you have to scroll down again and then click this how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Tap this one. Now, once you tap this, it will take you to an article that can help you to recover Gmail. For example, to recover an account for a child under 13, or if you forgot your password, you'll be asked some questions for your recovery of your account. If your account is hacked, then you just have to click this blue line right here to take you directly to that specific article that can help you recover your account. Okay, so let's just say how to recover my Google account. Let's just tap this account recovery page. Now, when you tap this, it will just take you directly to another way on how to recover your account. So it would be very hard, especially if you forgot your email address and your phone number. So basically, it's either you can contact their customer service team or try to log in to a device that has history of you logging in your Gmail account. Or the third is that you can contact them directly and then provide them details by going to contact us or look for their Gmail and then send them some proof that you own the account. However, there's also one technique. If you are using the same device or if device has a history of you logging in your Gmail, all you have to do is open your Google web browser and then go to a manage account. Let's just say this is your Google account, which you used to your Gmail account, and you forgot your password, and also you don't have the phone number. You just have to simply go to Password Manager and then kindly look if you see Google right here. Most of the keys says Google account is also your Gmail account. So the password that you have used on your Google account is same with your Gmail account. So on the password manager, you just have to search for Google if you can't see Gmail. and then tap it. Now, there you will see the accounts or the password that you have used. Let's just say this is your Gmail account here, and all you have to do is to copy that. And also, when you tap this eye icon, you will see there the password. So, in case that you forgot your Gmail and your password and you don't have the phone number, then you can try doing this method aside from asking or sending some queries and asking some questions or asking some help from their customer service. You can also try this method if you have used this phone device before. As simple as that. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.